Hey there, folks. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: the Ultimate Brazilian Wax Guide 2024, Smooth Skin and Perfect Aftercare. First up, let's discuss the most popular Brazilian wax options: the classic option, which doesn't include hair on the sides, and the sensational option, which leaves a tiny bit of hair on the sides for a more natural look. Next, we have three different types of bikini lines: standard, which only includes hair in the back; T-line, which also includes hair in the front; and heart line, which removes hair in both areas. Keep in mind that a standard line is usually $30-40, and a T-line is about $5 more. Now, let's talk about aftercare. After you get waxed, it's essential to apply aloe vera or lotion to soothe any irritation. You can even apply hydrocortisone cream to help ease the pain. If you have sensitive skin, it may be worth considering laser hair removal instead of waxing. It's much less painful and can be done from home with devices like Remington IPL. Thanks for joining us in this ultimate guide to Brazilian waxing. Remember to take care of your skin and choose the option that best suits you. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. Until next time.